afternoon to everyone. Are we all ready for today's affair? Happy Valentine's Day in advance. Today, FYSS is celebrating the Valentine's event. Tignan naman ninyo, halos tayo ay naka-red. And I assure you, for this 2015, all of us will be prosperous and wealthy. Dahil, kasabihan sa Chinese, the red color gives luck. So we are all lucky. Thanks for sharing your time with us today and dancing with a bit of our vibrant music provided by our very, very excellent DJ, Romel. Please give him a loud applause, please. Okay. Our program this afternoon is the birthday presentation. And later, we will witness the crowning of our Miss Valentine of 2015. She is an active member of several Filipino associations. You will meet her on part 2 of our program. So bear with us for a while. To start the program, please welcome Mr. Romeo Mercado, our president, for his greetings. May we call on Romy, please?
Kumusta na po? Kumusta na kayo lahat? Okay ba? First off, let me acknowledge and thank the presence of our community leaders, starting with the President of Philbex and Vice President of Kumpika, Mr. Fernando Salanga. Ayun, dalawa, para kay Mimio isa nun. And we have the President of Philganes, Madam Perla de Verata. Delphine Arciaga. Teka, may nakakalimutan yata ako eh. And yung Executive Secretary ng Kumpika, saka yung no other love ni Mr. Salanga, Lili Rehenaldo! And the Vice President of Philganes, Rose Tidle. We have the President of the Filipino Social Circle, Sing Hipon. We have the President of the Filipino Seniors Club, Selina, sir. Okay. And the Vice President, Eduardo Guillermo. Pepita Hernandez, the President of the Philippine Bagong Pag-asa. We have the President of the Filipino Association of British Columbia, Lito Pradas, and his better half, Laura. Lito, ayan. Juliet Andalis. Tatakbo ko ba ulit? Wala na natin yan. And gusto ko pong pasalamatan yung mga sumuporta sa mga Maharlika Award noong Sabado. And I would like to congratulate again those Maharlika Award 2015 headed by Mr. Cosme Malapitan for community service. Dominica Baguno also for community service. Selina Hers for leadership. Zambales Dance Group for Arts and Culture. May nakalimutan po tayo dito. Yes. From the Hilton Hotel. From their Sperling performance, the recent recipient of Maharlika Award for Arts and Culture, ladies and gentlemen, the Zambales Dance Group.
ladies, and I'm very proud of them. And I'm proud to say I'm their nanay, and they are my children. Do you agree? Yeah, I'm their mother and they are my children. Let's give them one more big applause for that very good performance. Thank you, and thank you again. You will notice that each is given a shooter. You will use those shooters for our birthday toast. I will now call the February born celebrants, and if the birthday celebrant is not here, well, let's just greet them here without themselves. Our best wishes from FYSS. And if you are here today, as I call your name, please come forward and be recognized. Esme Almeron, she's in the Philippines. Juana de Guzman. Rudy Aranda.
Lahat po tayo nakapula dahil we are celebrating Valentine's Day. And in every February, across the country, chocolate, candies, and other gifts are being exchanged between loved ones in the name of Valentine. So, enjoy the day. May the magical arrow of Cupid penetrate your heart. Alam nyo, ganyan ang pag-ibig. Pag-ibigan tayo lahat. Pagmamahal. Sabi nga nila, o pag-ibig na makapangyarihan kapag ikaw ay nasok sa puso ni inuman, hahamakin lahat, pati na si Inang. Diba? Si Inang ang lahat. Teka muna, may tatanungin ako. Sige, toast to our birthday celebrant for their good health, prosperity, good life, good fortune. Cheers! Mabuhay! Happy birthday!
Before we let the birthday celebrants go around, may we hear a song from Maricel Perez Loreto. This song